When the postman comes in this house, it can be quite interesting. I had a message last week asking if I would do a product test. I wasn't told what it was, and when I got home, opened this package which I wasn't expecting. I couldn't work out what it was, and then I took out this plastic rubber ring, and I wondered what on earth it was. And when I saw what it was, I remembered about the product testing. So it's a Bobbin Saver from Grabbit Sewing Tools. And when I first looked at it, I thought, how on earth is that going to help with keeping bobbins safe? Coincided with me having actually knocked off my bobbin container onto the floor and having to pick them all up. So I thought I'd give it a test and see what it's like. So very easy to use, and actually you can get quite a few in. I haven't got so many rolled up at the moment, and I really should just wind all the threads on first before I do this. But just wanted to keep it quick for you. I suppose for the sake of my sanity, I better roll some of these on, or else I'm going to be sorting out tangles. So just slip them in. And here they go. Now obviously the more you have, the closer together you can put them. And you can feel when they go in, they sort of just clip under the edge. There, the last one. There we go. And that's what they're like in there. So the test is turn it upside down and they're not dropping out. Drop it down. And for me, that is definitely a big yes. So if you're looking for something for storing your bobbins, definitely give a thumbs up to this one. It's definitely the one that I'll be going through, and if I filled it up, I'll definitely be treating myself to another one. I'll have a look at suppliers and costs for you and add that on in the comments. So if you've tried one, let me know. Love to hear what you think.